what is the process of sending in your watch or clock?
Well, you go to our website, it's timesticking.com. On the homepage, there's a button there that explains click here if you want to get started with your repair process. Once you're there, you'll find a repair page to fill out. Just fill it out. There's some basic questions there that we want to know about you so we know how to get back with you. Send in the watch. Once we receive the watch, we'll send you an email notification that the watch has arrived. We take photos of your timepiece, and then we log it in the system in our app, and we send out an email let you know that it's here. We'll figure out what to do for you. We'll have our guys do an estimate. The estimate is free. Once we have that put together, we'll give you a phone call and tell you what's going on and how much. And then you'll approve the job, we'll get it done, and we'll send it back to you. Once we send it back, we'll send you an email again that it's coming back so you know to look for it. If it's something that you wish to not do at this time, that's okay too. We send it back to you as well.